What's good? Have you always been looking for a way to get access to Forex account fundings? As we all know, trading your personal accounts can come with a lot of limitation in the Forex market as far as making money is concerned. So this is where funded Forex account comes really helpful. So if you are looking for a way to get access to up to 200,000 US dollars in Forex account fundings, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So allow me to introduce you to Sway Market Forex program. This is a funded Forex program for traders who are looking to get access to good account sizes to trade and maximize their income from the Forex market. So this company is offering you up to 200,000 US dollars in Forex account fundings, and you are going to be, and there is a lot of benefits with this because this company is owned by Sway Market Forex Broker, and this Forex broker is a full regulated Forex broker under the ASIC in Australia jurisdiction. So they also have their own personal trading platform. As we saw recently, in a few months ago, there was a lot of brokers and prop firms which got shut down because of license issues with MetaTrader. So this program is designed to eliminate that problem completely. So if you had issues with prop firm getting shut down, with trading platforms such as MetaTrader 5 and 4 getting shut down from your trading, this is the right solution for you because everything you're going to need with this program is provided and owned by this Forex broker. So this is the pricing option for the prop firm. Regardless of your budget, if you are low on budget, they have the right plan just for you. So the plans begins from the 1,000 USD all the way to, we have from the 1,000 USD all the way to the 200,000 USD in funding. So you are able to take advantage of all of these account sizes and be able to make good money regardless of your low budget for funding. So you have the 1,000, the 2,500, you have the 5K, the 10K, the 25K, the 50K, and the 100K, 150K, and 200K. And when you look at the prices are really fair. The prices are really fair. And one of the features I like about this prop firm is that, number one, they operate under the Sway Market Forex Broker, which is fully regulated, and you are able to take advantage of the best trading conditions in the industry. They have raw spread, they have tight stops, they have tight spreads, and a lot of other great features as far as your trading conditions are concerned. And more also, you are able to take advantage of up to 90% profit split. So when you trade with this funded account and you make profit, you are able to take about 90% of the profit to yourself. And one of the features I also enjoy about this is your ability to withdraw your profit instantly. Usually with other prop firm, you need to wait for Fridays or month ends before you are able to qualify for a payout. But with Sway funded program, you are able to make withdrawals as soon as you make profit in the market and you want to withdraw. So the withdrawals are instantly, no waiting days, no questions asked. And another features I like about this program is there are other added features when it comes to purchasing your challenges. You need to pass your first phase and your second phase. And there are other added features you can use to tailor your package, your trading challenges to fit your plans. And if you are also looking to take advantage of the affiliates program, they have a very good and great affiliate systems that pays really well. So if you have a team, if you're able to share the word of this great company, you are definitely going to get rewarded handsomely. So the affiliate program pays up to 10 levels, and you are able to take advantage of 20% on your first referral, on your direct affiliates, your direct referrals, up to 20%, and it goes all the way to 10 levels, you can see. So if you are able to get affiliates who purchase any of the challenges, you are definitely going to enjoy about 20% right there. So if your referrals also referred other people who are also purchasing, you get to enjoy up to 10% of that purchase. So they really reward people handsomely because they are in charge of everything that goes on as far as the funding and also the entire program. So a lot of benefits that comes with trading with the right prop firm. So if you are looking for a way to really enjoy great funding when it comes to prop firm, then Sway Funded is the right company for you to register with. So as you can see on the screen here, this is an example of affiliate payouts which are paid instantly to your account, and you are able to withdraw it directly. So this is a video of one of the affiliates making good money from the affiliate system. So you can see this is all generated through affiliate program. So there's a lot of ways to really make good money with this company, and when you're funded, you are able to take advantage of your funded account for as long as you need to, and also for as long as you follow the rules. So that is Sway Funded. If you are yet to sign up for this with this company, be sure to click the link in this video description to get an account right away.